Victoria Alexandra. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
Cousin, what's up, cousin? What's up?
So it is officially holiday season. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you this simple but classic holiday glam. It's just a brown smoky with a ombre red lip. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. All right, so I already did my brows off camera. I'm just going to use my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12 as a base. Even though I'm just putting my bronzer on my eyes today, I wanted to show, because normally if I'm doing just like my everyday makeup look, I do my bronzer, but I don't really put anything on my lids. So because I wanted to actually show up today, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Bronzer and Mocha Mami. Face. for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, I need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.